Guys, know about the inverse of the tangent and cotangent functions. As you see here, we will limit the okay. As you see here, this is our function, tangent function here, and we will limit the domain of the tangent function also because it's not one-to-one. If we limit the domain between minus pi over 2 and pi over 2, it will be one-to-one, so it will have what? Inverse function. Okay, now the minus pi over 2 and pi over 2 are not included because for that angles, tangent is what? Unknown, yeah? And the ranging here of the tangent is all real numbers, yeah? That means the tangent changes between minus infinity and plus infinity. And if you see here, we have the inverse of the function, and the inverse of the function, we said inverse does what function does. So if the domain of the inverse function is all real numbers here, it's the range of the function, and the range of our inverse function is what? Between minus pi over 2 and pi over 2, which is the domain of our function, yeah? Okay, now look at here. This one is our function, tangent x is equal to y, and the inverse of this function is this one. The value of arctangent y, it's x, yeah, is between minus 90 and plus 90. Okay, let's solve examples. Look at this example. Here the question is, we have to find the angle that is between minus pi over 2 and pi over 2. So the angle, so for that angle, tangent will be root 3. That means tangent x is equal to root 3, and arctangent root 3 is what? X, and x must be between minus 90 and plus 90. That angle is what? And that angle is 60 degrees, yeah? Pi over 3, which is between minus 90 and plus 90. Okay, let's solve another example. Let's solve this one. Okay, the question is in here. The question is sine, and this is the angle of the sine. Inverse function, it's the angle, you know that. We have to find an arc, firstly with this one, arctangent 1 over 2. And this we have to find the angle between minus 90 and plus 90 by the rule. So for that angle, tangent will be equal to 1 over 2. What is that? Okay, now this is not a special angle, eh? So we are going to solve this one with the help of right triangle. Now, this is the angle x, which is between 90 and minus 90. And the tangent is equal to 1 over 2. That means 1 opposite over adjacent, 1 over 2. And by a Pythagorean theorem, this one is equal to root 5. We have to find sine what? This one is our x. Sine x. X is positive angle, yeah? Between and the x is positive because on the first quadrant tangent is positive, and this is the angle of tangent. So the sine x is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, 1 over root 5, which is root 5 over 5. Okay, I think it's clear. Let's solve another example. Okay, now, and this example is also easy. Here, arctangent, tangent 5 pi over 4. Tangent 5 pi over 4 is on the third quadrant here, in where the tangent is positive, and it's pi over 4. So it will be what? 1. And arctangent 1 is equal to. Now we said that tangent must be between minus 90 and plus 90, yeah? Between minus pi over 2 and pi over 2. So the angle between minus pi over 2 and pi over 2, for which tangent will be equal to 1, it's what? Pi over 4. Result is pi over 4. Okay, now the next topic is arctangent. Arctangent. Okay, arctangent, you know, tangent is the inverse of the cotangent, yeah? Cotangent is inverse of tangent. As you see here, we have this function. Also, we will limit the domain of the tangent function because it's a periodic function here. So if we limit the function, the domain of the function, it will be one-to-one function. So it will have inverse here. And this is our function, and this is the inverse of our function. And the domain of our function is between 0 and pi. So it will be the range of inverse of the function arctangent. It will be the range of this one, the value of this one, x, which is between 0 and pi. Okay, let's give examples. Arctangent here. Let's give examples. Let's solve this one. Look at here, and we have tangent arctangent root 3. Arctangent root 3 is here. This is the question. We have to find the angle between 0 and pi, for which cotangent will be equal to root 3. And that angle is what? Is 30 degrees, yeah? 30 degrees, that is pi over 6. Now this one is tangent pi over 6 plus, and the cosine arctangent 1, the angle between 0 and pi, for which cotangent will be equal to 1, is pi over 4. This is cosine pi over 4 minus arctangent 0, the angle between 0 and pi, for which cotangent will be equal to 0, is what? 90 degree, yeah? Cotangent pi over 2 is equal to 0. So this one will be sine pi over 2. Okay, the result is cotangent pi over 6, tangent pi over 6, it's 1 over root 3, 1 over root 3, yeah? And plus this one is 1, and minus this one is what? 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, and the result will be root 3 over 3. I think this one was clear and easy, and the lesson we are going to solve more examples to understand better, yeah? On the lesson we may solve all of these examples from check yourself, so you will understand better. Okay, see you on the next videos.